So, what is allowed on the carnivore diet? Let's talk about it. So, we have beef, we have lamb, pork, poultry, seafood, eggs, and organ meat. So, no plant-based products, no processed foods, no seed oils. Now, a lot of people will even say no seasonings. However, I do seasonings like pepper. All these things are actually made from plants. You have pepper, you have the onion seasoning, just different seasonings in general. And I always say, you be the CEO of your own body. You track your body, find out what's good for you, what's not good for you. You know, some people that have leaky gut, they can't take any of the seasonings at all. Okay, so let's go on to the video. Today we're going to be talking about what's allowed on the carnivore diet, and you may be surprised some of the things that are allowed on the carnivore diet.
Embracing the carnivore, a primal approach. The carnivore diet is a way of eating that focuses solely on animal products. This means that every meal is centered around meat, fish, and other animal-derived foods, completely excluding plant-based items. It eliminates all plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. This can be a significant shift for many people who are used to a more varied diet. This approach may seem extreme to some, especially in a world where plant-based diets are often promoted for health and environmental reasons. However, it aligns with how our ancestors ate for millions of years. Early humans were hunters and gatherers, relying heavily on animal foods for sustenance. The human body is well equipped to thrive on a purely animal-based diet. Many proponents of the carnivore diet argue that it can lead to optimal health and performance. This way of eating prioritizes nutrient-dense foods, which are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Meat, fish, and eggs provide a concentrated source of nutrients that are easily absorbed by the body. It eliminates potential dietary toxins, such as anti-nutrients found in some plant foods, and reduces the intake of processed foods that can be harmful to health. The carnivore diet can be a powerful tool for improving health and well-being. Many people have reported significant benefits, including increased energy levels and mental clarity. Many people report positive changes on this diet. These changes often include better mood, enhanced physical performance, and a greater sense of overall well-being. These changes can include weight loss, reduced inflammation, and improved digestion. Some individuals also experience relief from chronic conditions such as autoimmune diseases and digestive disorders. As with any dietary change, it's important to listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and make adjustments as needed to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. Consulting with a healthcare professional is always recommended. They can provide personalized advice and help you navigate any challenges you may encounter on your carnivore journey. The meat of the matter, your carnivore staples. In this chapter, we'll explore the essential components of a carnivore diet and why they are so vital for your health and well-being. At the heart of the carnivore diet are, of course, animal products. These are not just any animal products, but those that are nutrient-dense and provide a wide array of benefits. These provide the foundation for this way of eating. From steaks to chops and even organ meats, each type of meat has its own unique set of nutrients. Focus on high-quality meats from animals raised in natural settings. Grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, and sustainably sourced fish are excellent choices. Lamb is another fantastic option, rich in flavor and nutrients. These meats are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. These meats are rich in protein, essential amino acids, and healthy fats. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, while fats provide a steady source of energy. They provide the building blocks for a healthy body. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to improve your overall health, these foods are indispensable. These meats also deliver an abundance of micronutrients. These include vitamins and minerals that are often lacking in other diets. These include iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Iron is essential for blood health, zinc supports the immune system, and B vitamins are crucial for energy production. These nutrients are crucial for energy production, immune function, and overall vitality. Consuming these meats can lead to improved energy levels and a stronger immune system. Look for cuts of meat with natural marbling. This marbling is an indicator of higher fat content, which is beneficial for those on a carnivore diet. This indicates a higher fat content. Fat is not just a source of energy, it also helps in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Fat is an essential source of energy on the carnivore diet. It helps keep you satiated and provides the necessary fuel for your daily activities. Expanding the feast: seafood, eggs, and organ meats. While meat forms the foundation of the carnivore diet, you can enjoy other nutrient-rich animal products. Seafood, including fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, is a great addition. These provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. Eggs are another excellent source of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients like choline. Don't shy away from organ meats like liver, heart, and kidney. These are nutritional powerhouses. They contain high concentrations of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Section 4. Drawing the line: foods to avoid on the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet is about restriction. It eliminates all plant-based foods. This includes fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. While these foods can be part of a healthy diet for some, they are excluded on the carnivore diet for several reasons. Plant-based foods contain compounds like lectins, phytates, and oxalates. These can interfere with nutrient absorption. They may also contribute to digestive issues in some individuals. Processed foods, sugar, and refined oils are also off-limits. These offer little nutritional value and can contribute to inflammation and other health problems. Section 5. Navigating the carnivore path. Tips for beginners. Transitioning to a carnivore diet can be an adjustment. Here are some practical tips for beginners. First, pay attention to your electrolyte intake. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are crucial. You may need to supplement. Next, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is essential. Don't be afraid of fat. It's your primary source of energy on this diet. Choose fatty cuts of meat and add healthy fats like tallow or lard to your meals. Lastly, pay attention to how you feel. Adjust your food choices accordingly. Everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Section 6. The dairy dilemma: a personalized approach. One common question about the carnivore diet is whether dairy is allowed. This question often arises because dairy products are animal-based, yet they can have varying effects on different individuals. The answer is not straightforward. It requires a nuanced understanding of how your body reacts to dairy. It depends on the individual. Each person's tolerance to dairy can vary significantly. Some people tolerate dairy well on this diet. They can enjoy cheese, milk, and other dairy products without any adverse effects. Others find it causes digestive issues or inflammation. Symptoms can range from mild discomfort to severe reactions. If you choose to include dairy, opt for full-fat, unpasteurized options. These are often better tolerated and more nutritious. Start with small amounts and see how your body responds. Gradually increase the quantity if no negative symptoms appear. Dairy can be a source of calcium and other nutrients. It provides essential vitamins and minerals that can be beneficial to your health. However, it's essential to prioritize your body's signals and adjust accordingly. Listen to what your body is telling you and make changes as needed. The key to success on the carnivore diet is to personalize it to your needs. Tailor your food choices to what makes you feel best. Pay attention to your body, experiment, and make adjustments to find what works best for you. This personalized approach will help you achieve optimal health and well-being.
Hey, go down there and hit the like button for me. Also, comment and subscribe.